Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a hole saw. So if you get a drill bit kit that's a decent size such as this one, chances are it'll come with hole saws and it'll have varying sizes just like this. So we're going to grab our smallest one here, and it also comes with this little mandrel piece right here. So we're just going to show you real quick how to use it. So with this, it has a little collar on it. You're just going to twist it and it unscrews. And there's two flat edges, one here and one here. They match up with the hole in here. So this is your drill bit side. You're going to match that with the side of the teeth right here. And your flat side will go through. And you're going to take your collar and you're going to put it back on and tighten it. And you put it into your drill. Tighten up your chuck. And wherever you need your hole, this is just our work table. We're going to put one in the center because we need one there. And you just start drilling. All right, so that makes a nice little hole. And the piece actually went all by itself, came loose. However, I'll show you real quick if it doesn't come loose. And just be careful when you grab this, it might be a little bit hot. So if it does come loose, or rather if it doesn't come loose, it has these little holes in the side, and you would just stick a little Allen key into the side and you can pop out your piece of wood. Now to change the drill bit in the center, you're just going to loosen your collar. And if you look right there, there's a little Allen key type bolt. We're going to loosen that. And your drill bit slides out, and you can just replace this if it gets dull. And you keep your collar. When you have your new one, place it on, and there's this little flat edge right here. Make sure that's lined up with this bolt. And then when you're ready to put it away, just put your collar back on. And put it back into your kit. And you're all good to go. That's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful, and please like and subscribe.